Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select new project here, and I'm going to select library, and I'm going to I'll select some from library, and here I'm just going to add in this video and this video, for instance, and I'll add like another one here. Okay, so I'm going to select this video, and I, for instance, want to place it on top of that. And as you can see, this video is still on top. So what you can do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to select layer 1 instead, so that this video will be on top now. And later, it's easier to actually just enable free layer. So here, as you can see, if I switch in between layers again, or try to, I will have to order layers again, and it's just super tedious. So what you're going to do is you're going to select this gray area, go to modify, and you're going to select the details, enable free layers, save, so that whenever you move around your layers, whichever one is on top will just be the one on top. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!